Bungy gates are a great way to secure any gate opening and have unique advantages over other gate styles. In this video, we're going to take a close look at the Electri-Gate by Parmac. The Electri-Gate is a highly conductive bungee gate with a key standout feature, the inline length adjuster. This feature is what makes the Electri-Gate so versatile across gate openings of any size from 6 foot up to 20 foot. Simply slide the adjuster to make a custom fit for your gate opening. The Electri-Gate comes with a heavy-duty insulated gate handle, the inline length adjuster, and two two-way gate anchors. This gate is just as easy to adjust as it is to install. Measure and mark the height for the gate anchor. Drill a pilot hole, then twist in the anchor until secure. Then repeat the process on the other side of the gate opening. Your specific fence configuration will dictate where you place these gate anchors on the post and how you go about electrifying the bungee gate from your existing fence. We hooked the gate handle at the other end and there's a little bit of slack in our bungee gate, so now we're going to use the inline length adjuster to remove that slack. By feeding the slack through the inline adjuster, we can reset the tension. The Electri-Gate gives you confidence that your gate openings are secured by a custom-fit bungee gate. You can find the Parmac Electri-Gate and other gate accessories at Kencove.com. If there are other products or questions you'd like to see in our videos, please leave your suggestions in the comments below. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more fencing tips and expert advice.